Tammy Slaton has finally reached a milestone that fans of 1000 LB Sisters have been waiting for since the beginning of her transformative journey, her long-anticipated skin removal surgery. After years of weight struggles, health complications, and emotional ups and downs, Tammy's life-altering prose. Duri is not only a symbol of personal victory but also a source of massive curiosity for the show's loyal audience. TLC cameras have reportedly captured every raw, emotional, and triumphant moment leading up to the big day. Yet despite the buzz, the burning question remains, when will this major episode air? Tammy Slaton's journey on 1000 LB Sisters has always been more than a weight loss story. It's a deeply human tale of perseverance, vulnerability, and growth under public scrutiny. Her early appearances were marked by mobility challenges, oxygen dependence, and a deep emotional resistance to change. For years, viewers questioned whether she'd ever be able to qualify for bariatric surgery, let alone the excess skin removal that typically follows massive weight loss. But in a stunning reversal of expectations, Tammy has not only survived multiple health crises but has emerged stronger, determined, and more focused than ever. That grit has led her to this next big chapter, removing the physical remnants of her former body. The lead up to her skin removal has been anything but simple. Fans will remember how Tammy's struggles with food addiction, self-esteem, and relationship turmoil often threatened her progress. Many believed that she might never reach the point where skin removal was an option. At her heaviest, Tammy weighed over 700 pounds and needed constant care. She spent significant time in weight loss rehab facilities and even had to be put on life support at one point due to medical complications. The emotional weight she carried was often heavier than the physical, and many episodes highlighted her raw vulnerability and frustration as her younger sister Amy advanced more quickly on her health journey. However, that narrative began to change drastically during the most recent season. Tammy's breakthrough came when she committed fully to her health, both mentally and physically. In what some fans call the redemption arc, she began making tangible progress, eventually undergoing bariatric surgery. That procedure, though risky, marked the turning point. Not only did she lose a dramatic amount of weight, but she also adopted new habits, worked with counselors, and began to show a newfound independence that had rarely been seen before. Her social media accounts started showing signs of hope, more smiles, outdoor walks, and celebratory posts with her family and friends. The skin removal procedure, according to insiders, was scheduled only after Tammy maintained her post-surgery weight loss and was deemed medically stable. Doctors generally recommend waiting at least 12 to 18 months post-bariatric surgery before undergoing excess skin removal, and it seems Tammy followed that guidance closely. What makes this moment even more poignant is that Tammy has reportedly decided to document every step of it, including the consultations, pre-op nerves, the actual procedure, and the recovery process. While TLC has not confirmed the exact air date of this pivotal episode, sources suggest it will be a centerpiece of the upcoming season, which is expected to premiere later this year. Production insiders hint that the show's next season will place heavy emphasis on Tammy's transformation, not just physically, but emotionally. Viewer can expect candid footage of Tammy confronting her past, embracing her future, and dealing with the psychological impact of seeing her new body for the first time. Recovery from skin removal surgery is known to be painful and emotionally intense, with extended downtime and potential complications. TLC is likely to cover it all, offering fans a raw look into the reality behind these cosmetic procedures. No glamorization, just the truth of what it takes to become the person you've always wanted to be after decades of struggling. Family dynamics will undoubtedly play a central role in the upcoming season as well. Amy, who has had her own ups and downs since giving birth to her 2 children and separating from her husband, is expected to be one of Tammy's biggest supporters. The sisters have had their share of conflicts, some of which were deeply painful to watch. Yet through it all, their bond has remained a core element of the show's appeal. Viewer will likely witness a powerful sisterly reunion as Amy supports Tammy through this major life change. The rest of the Slaton family, including siblings Chris and Amanda, may also appear in what could be one of the show's most emotional episodes yet. Of course, the fans are clamoring for details. Social media has erupted with speculation ever since Tammy hinted at a major life event on TikTok and Instagram. Some believe the episode will serve as a kind of mid-season climax, while others suspect it might be saved for the finale of the upcoming season. TLC has been notoriously secretive about production schedules, likely to preserve anticipation. Still, marketing executives at the network are well aware that Tammy's skin removal surgery could deliver record-breaking viewership, especially given the global popularity of transformation content and the ongoing fascination with the Slayton sisters' lives. The timing couldn't be more perfect for a ratings boost. With many reality shows losing steam, 1000 LB Sisters has managed to maintain relevance by staying honest. It doesn't sugarcoat the challenges of weight loss or pretend that surgery is a magical fix. Tammy's skin removal marks not an ending, but a beginning, a symbolic shedding of trauma, insecurity, and a life once limited by physical barriers. And unlike scripted makeovers, this transformation has been years in the making, with real stakes and genuine consequences. While fans wait with bated breath, many have already taken to fan forums and Reddit threads to discuss what might be revealed. Will Tammy feel satisfied with the results? Will she struggle with post-op depression, which is common among people who undergo major body-altering procedures? How will the Slayton family react when they see her new form for the first time? Will this be the final chapter in Tammy's televised journey, or the beginning of a new spin-off focused on her continued evolution? There are more questions than answers for now, but one thing is certain, the episode featuring Tammy's skin removal surgery is poised to be one of the most unforgettable in 1000 LB Sisters history. Interestingly, Tammy's procedure could also inspire a wider discussion about accessibility to life-changing surgery for people with obesity. Many fans have commented on the financial and medical obstacles they face when trying to follow in her footsteps. While TLC covers some of the costs for its stars, the average person must navigate insurance red tape and high out-of-pocket expenses. Tammy's story may bring those conversations into the spotlight, adding another layer of depth to an already emotional season. It's a chance for the show to broaden its impact and potentially influence public policy or non-profit support for those struggling with extreme obesity. As for Tammy herself, she appears to be embracing this new chapter with grace and hope. Friends close to her say that while the physical healing will take time, she's mentally stronger than ever. She's reportedly journaling, working with a life coach, and exploring new hobbies that she couldn't do before, like swimming, hiking, and even dating again. Fans have spotted her out in public, looking confident and energized, a far cry from the woman who once feared leaving her home. Her metamorphosis is inspiring, and it's clear she wants to use her story to uplift others who feel trapped in their bodies or limited by their past mistakes. Whether or not the season is Tammy's last, her skin removal day will be remembered as the culmination of years of struggle, hope, and triumph. It's more than a cosmetic change, it's a profound physical and emotional rebirth. Fans who've laughed, cried, and rooted for her since day one will no doubt be glued to their screens when that long-awaited episode finally airs. Until then, the anticipation builds, the fan theories continue, and Tammy Slayton stands on the edge of her most remarkable transformation yet. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.